Hi, in front of me I have LENOVO Phab 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to clear the credentials on this device. Let's start by tapping on this icon right here to open the app menu, and then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, let's scroll down and select security. And here, let's scroll down and tap on the clear credentials option and tap on OK to confirm. And as you can see, the message storage, credential storage is erased, and that's how you clear the credentials on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.